What is it you want to be remembered for? Think about this question. You don't have to come up with an answer right now. Most of the time, it's not about the answer. Most of the time, it's just about asking the right question and thinking about it. Who do you want to be? What do you want to become? What is the legacy you want to leave behind? You have to remember, 100 years from now, most of us will be gone, and the only thing left are the memories of the people we leave behind and the action we took in our life while we still able to. So, which legacy you want to leave behind? Think about this question and decide. Sit down, decide, and take action. Because in the end, it will not matter how much money you had, how many titles you had. In the end, 2, 3, 4, 500 years from now, people will remember you and ask one question. Did he make the world better or worse? That's for you to decide. I cannot tell you what to do. I only can tell you, if you do nothing, you will feel with regret. If you do not chase the passion in you, your desire, your wishes, your dreams, and giving it to this world, spreading it, making this place we live better every day, with consistent action and passionate feeling, you will regret it. I rather fail and die than living a life in regret. I want to be remembered as a person who pursue his goals and try to create something this world can be benefit from a long time. When I'm gone, this is not about me. This is about the legacy I will leave behind. In 1965, ExxonMobil embarked on a journey in Malaysia that would shape the nation's energy landscape and leave a legacy of innovation, resilience, and unity. Over 6 decades, the story of ExxonMobil upstream Malaysia has become a tapestry woven with groundbreaking achievement, extraordinary teamwork, and enduring friendship. As we commemorate 60 remarkable years, it's time to reflect. What does ExxonMobil legacy mean to you? Is it the friendship that feel like family? The sense of achievement after a successful project? Or perhaps it's the moment that inspire you to strive for more, to do better every day? Guntung Delta Maintenance Bees.